For 2 years in a row, my hydrangeas have not bloomed. I have fed and mulched them. What can I do to get them to bloom? The plants look healthy, but no blooms. And this is Darlene. So here's a typical question we usually get about hydrangeas. No blooms, right? So what do you think? What could be the problem here?
Well, the picture she sent is a macrophylla hydrangea.
Oh,
so
look at you.
That's the key right there.
Okay.
And they bloom on second year wood, not you wood.
Okay, second year wood. That's
so
important. Okay.
If you're cutting them back in the spring, then you're cutting all your blooms off.
Oh,
so you don't want to prune in the spring.
Okay.
Other reason could be we had a really cold winter that could have killed all the blooms for this year. Could have been one of the problems. But you want to prune those like August and September. So it's going to promote new growth that will be 2-year-old wood when we have the blooms in the summertime. It could be the weather condition that killed it, or it could be you pruned at the wrong time.
How about that, Ms. Darlene? There you go. I have nothing to say, right? No, I agree with all of that. It's usually pruning.
Yeah.
Which is why you should know the type of hydrangea that you have.
That's correct.
Right, because they all get pruned at different times.
Different times,
right?
yeah.
So you explained it well. So I think that may be the issue.
Yeah.
It's pruning, and then of course, winter injury, possibly could be something as well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.